Hi everybody, my name is Jorge Enrique Ramirez Gallardo, and today I am going to explain how to use the tools Powtoon. Welcome. If you are a teacher or a student, you can use the Powtoon for make your videos for the class or for the homework. Okay, let's go to use Powtoon. First, select in the web the Powtoon Video Maker. Open this page and let's go to select the window Powtoon. Then you can find your style for this presentation. For our presentation, let's go to use modern age. Here is the blank presentation. Now you need put the title. Let's go to select the window text, add title, and write. For example, environment, virtual learning environment. Already. If you want to change the color of words, select color, put the color red. Okay, ready? Oh, I forget. You can use different effects. For example, this. Select this. Now you need to put add images. Select images. You can put your images. For example, for our presentation, let's go to use this image. Okay, ready? Need to reduce these images already. Now add a new diapositive for this presentation. I need to put a video, for example. Select my videos. I have my videos and put a video. Okay, read your video. I need to put a text for this video. And then I write for this video. For example, Teacher George. I need to change the color. I need to move the plates. Really? Now, addition voice or music. For example, let's go to put music. Select my music and put this music. Okay. Ready? Here is the music for this video. Ready? Okay. Now, let's go to finish my presentation. Can use different essence for this presentation. Let's go to make different presentations. Let's go to make put this for finish this presentation. And write, for example, the end reading. Okay, I had my presentation. This okay, reading. This is my presentation. I want to save. I need to watch my presentation. Okay, it is ready. Virtual learning environment. Ready. I need to store this my presentation.
A este canal.
I need to store for okay, public. Mm, let's go to put a title. Ready. Category education. Standard. And it is ready. Now I have my presentation. Okay. And now I can watch my presentation and other people can watch my presentation. Thanks for your attention, and I hope that you can use these tools for your class or your homework. Bye, see you later.